So Josh, what you doing over there? Hmm? Did you get farther than where I was? Why don't you come over here and say something to the camera? You're gonna be on YouTube. Come on.
No.
Come on, I'll bring the camera to you then. I said I'll bring the camera to you. Say a little something. How old are you? When's your birthday?
I don't know.
Are you glad school is out?
I guess so.
I'll leave you alone. I had to go to bed for real.